Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I will redo the turtle graphics we learned of like a few lessons ago. So if you haven't learned that already, I recommend you go and watch my videos. Else if you know what turtle is and you watch my videos, we may start the thing now. So today we will be doing this spirograph. So a spirograph, if you don't know, is like this shape where like a pattern like a square or like a circle or a shape like that. And if you spin it like 50 or 60 times around, it will create this cool shape. So I'll show you that once we do our project. So before we do that, we will type the import turtle, and then we will do import random. These are the two files we'll need to start the code. Now, let us start with this code. Def draw spirograph radius and then num underscore circles. So we'll do turtle dot speed and we'll do 0. And then for I in range, and then we'll do num underscore circles, and we will bring this back. And we will do this. And then we'll do turtle dot color, and then we will do random dot random, and then we will do random dot random, and then we will do random dot random. And then we will do the and that will be a random color. Oops, so we will actually do turtle. So we will actually do the def just spirograph thing, and then we will do turtle dot speed equals 0, and then for I in range num circles, and then we will do the turtle color. We will actually do this again. So we will do this again, and then we will do this again. Let's actually redo the def just spirograph radius num circles, and then turtle dot speed equals 0, and then for I in range num circles, turtle.color, and then we will do this. And then we will do turtle.circle radius. And then we will do turtle.right 360. And then we'll do slash num underscore circles. And then we'll close that up. And then we'll do turtle.bg color. And this will look better if the BG color is black. And then after that we'll bring this there. And then we will do a turtle.pen size. And then we will do 2. It will be pretty thin. And then let's do draw. And then underscore spirograph for the function we made. For the command we made, our custom command. The draw spirograph. And then we will do the coordinates like 100, 100. This drawing is pretty cool, right? Let's do it again. So instead, now we will do draw spirograph. 45, 26.789780. So let's do this actually, so we can't do integers. So we cannot do floats actually. Whoa. This looks so cool. Now let's make this like 200, 300. Whoa, this is so cool. So this drawing is pretty cool. So yeah, if you want to make the spirograph, you use this code and you just enter the size and then here. And once you enter the size, look what shape creates. So cool, right? Well, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about creating a spirograph. And in the future lessons, I might do more Python shapes, like maybe square spirographs or maybe even different stuff altogether. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and until next time, have a great week of learning.